Breaking the traditional welding model. Machine eliminates need for separate end-to connections. Simply connect to an air compressor for operation. Save usage costs and be more portable. The compressed air required is 6-8 bar. Machine includes a nitrogen purity monitor, displaying end-to concentration in real time to ensure weld quality. And 2-generator membrane has service life of up to 50,000 hours. Air-cooled laser welder is smaller and easier to carry and transport. Available laser powers are 1.5 kilowatt and 2 kilowatts. Can weld carbon steel and stainless steel up to 5 millimeters thick.